This happy family was doing a who can make me pregnant challenge when it went terribly wrong. They had to poke each other's belly to find out who is pregnant, and I will bet you 69 million you can't guess if the fourth guy's pregnant or not.
Which food would you give to your mother? McDonald's, leave a like. Pizza, subscribe. Broccoli, ignore the video. Lunchly, comment a heart emoji. Donuts, do everything.
I'm not pregnant. Not get me pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
Then this white Barbie came, and somehow she is also not pregnant.
I'm not pregnant.
You will be shocked what this guy's going to do. First, he dropped the pin and then said this.
I'm not pregnant. Oh!
I'm not pregnant.
I'm not pregnant.
I'm pregnant.